Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is a new opening, a new gift, a new door is opening for you. You've been looking and checking, trying so many doors, trying to figure out where you're going to land to your new manifestation. Where's the direction of your life going? Your new opportunity. What new opportunity is opening up for you? I want you to embrace it with your greatest positivity, your greatest energy, your greatest inspiration, and be the best because you are the best. When one door closes, I'm confident another will open for me, and it will be for my betterment. It always is. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ has your best in mind and wants the best for you. So guaranteed, just because one door didn't open, you must be being saved from something that you don't notice is on the other side of the door. Sometimes our wants can be our detriment or our downfall. But when we open and we actually obey and go through the right doors that's open, go down the path that's actually opening up for our journey, becomes to give us, you'll come to find out it gives you the true results that you're looking for. I accept that things in life brings challenges, and I acknowledge the opportunity and the learning that they present to me because it makes you stronger. When you become stronger, not only can you handle testing opportunities and obstacles, but also you can maintain bigger blessings from the shack to the mansion to the acres of land. Positive energy carries its own burden and its own weight. Therefore, as long as you do the work and you continue to become stronger, it'll feel like a feather. And you'll be enjoying and living life, not sustaining and struggling. Rain, sleet, or snow, your blessings will feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. Serenity comes from within. Peace upon your soul as you continue to journey and become the greater self, and you walk into your positive blessings and manifestation in life that you not only deserve, you ask for. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.